Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a while since we filmed anything, but today we're gonna get some work done. Let me go ahead and talk you through a few things that me and my dad actually have going on right now. This is one of my dad's little projects he's got going on right now. This is actually my sister's vehicle. Long story short, I'm not gonna go too in depth with it, but someone stole the vehicle one night and all four corners got destroyed. All the headlights and taillights got destroyed. One of the tires blew and the dude kept riding on it. Tire frayed out. He was riding on the rim for a while and destroyed the rim. So it's just been a whole mess. But that's one thing, my dad's been busting his butt trying to get back on the road, which is coming along really good. But talk of the day is this thing right here. It's a 93 Cobra. My dad just got it. Flew to LAX and drove to Vegas and got it. This thing is sweet. He just got it repainted and it looks immaculate. Cobra wheels, interior is mint. Thing's beautiful. I know you guys remember this thing. This is his GT. He took the Cobra wheels off. He took a few things off that he modified, threw it onto this car, and I think he's just gonna try and sell it. So that's what my dad's got going on. I just got done changing the oil, but today we're gonna jump into something else. You know that rear right window that falls down by itself? Well, I got a new window regulator. We're gonna go ahead and swap that out. That way, whenever I'm driving with AC, the window doesn't fall down and all the AC don't fly out the window and bring in all the heat. So this is the rear right regulator, come with all the hardware. They're all 10 mil, so I got what I need ready right there. Letting the car warm up with the new oil right now. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking that door panel off and get started on it. All right, I got the door panel off. There were 6 bolts that were holding the old regulator in. There's one here, here, 3 here. What? 1, 2, 3. There was one here, one there, and then another one up there. So there was 6 altogether. That's the old one right there. These springs are just shot. I think that's why it's not like cranking up anymore as to where this one, like all that. So that's why it's not working anymore. I'm guessing all that's just pulled all the way out and it's just not retracting anymore. So out with the old and with the new. About to throw this guy in and see what she does. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have the new window regulator on. We got those 2 bolted to the window bracket. These 2 on, along with this one down here, and then those 3. And look at that window action, boy. We did it. Now we just gotta throw that door panel back on and it should be ready to rock. Look at that work, boy. Finally got that done, taken care of. Alrighty, we just got home. On the way home, I stopped at Lowe's. I got some coil cleaner. So whenever I take my evap down, I can go clean it real good. I got some wire brushes for it. But, you know, next week I'm gonna be doing my timing belt. And then maybe after that, we'll get a little mountain run in eventually. I wanna jack the car up again, make sure everything's nice and tight. Before taking the car up to the mountains, I would definitely wanna jack it up one more time and go through everything, make sure everything's nice and tight, look at everything, look at all the ball joints, look at this and that. So next weekend we'll be doing a timing belt, and then after, maybe the weekend after, we'll secure everything and haul ass to a mountain one of these days and go cruise around. So, well, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you guys in the next one.